Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I'm going to give you some of the pronunciation and the reading tips for A2 level. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prim or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. In case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just start with this video. Here I have chosen a text which is a little bit harder than A1 level. On my YouTube channel, I've already uploaded some of the videos wherein I gave you some of the pronunciation and the reading tips for A1 level. Now here I thought to select a text which is a little bit more complex than A1 level. So the title of the text is Chaud ou froid. Now see, here we have the combination CH. CH in English is known as ch. We pronounce CH as ch. But in French, the pronunciation of CH is sh, sh. Now AU, the pronunciation is O. It's pronounced like O. So CH AU becomes chaud. In French, we do not pronounce the last consonant. So D would be silent. It's chaud. Now OU, the pronunciation is OU. It's OU. And then this is froid. Again, FR is fr, fr. And the pronunciation of OI, OI is OA. So MOI becomes MOA, TOI becomes TOA, OI is OA. So FROI becomes froid. D is silent because it's the last consonant. So you say chaud ou froid. Chaud ou froid. Personnellement, personnellement. Now MENT, the pronunciation is mon, mon. So personnellement, je préfère, préfère. Now if you see here we have accent aigu and here we have accent grave. There are two accents in French. One is aigu, another is grave. The pronunciation of this in French is A. A, like in English we say A, B, C, D. So A. So this becomes pré. Now this is a, fait, préfère, préfère. I repeat. See, if you have a normal E in French, then the pronunciation is a. If you have this, then the pronunciation is a. And if you have this, then the pronunciation is a. This is a, this is a, and this is a. So this becomes préfère. Je préfère la. Now I told you CH is sh, with A it becomes cha. Chaleur. Chaleur. Personnellement, je préfère la chaleur. J'ai. AI is A, so it becomes j'ai grandi. J'ai grandi dans le sud. Sud de la France. De la France. Près. Près de Montpellier. Montpellier. Donc, je suis habitué. Now in French, the letter H is always silent. It's habitué. Habitué. O, AU is O, soleil, soleil, soleil. Dès que les nuages, NU would be new, nuages, apparaissent, Now here there are two pronunciation tips. Whenever double S comes, the pronunciation is always sir. And in the verbs, you don't pronounce ENT at the end. So it's not apparaissent, it's apparaissent. Apparaissent et que la température. EM is tempé, because this was A, so température. Température. It's very important that you break the word and then pronounce it. It's température. Température descend de quelques degrés. This is de because this is a and this is a. So degré. Je me mets à frissonner. Again you have double S, so se frissonner. Petit quand. Now there is a pronunciation tip over here. Whenever in any of the French word you have QU combination, QU. Now just to pronounce it, replace it with a K. So it's not quan, it's con. K-A-N-T, it's con, right? Rendiant, I forgot to write one word here. Petit quand nous. Quand nous rendions visite à mes cousins à Paris. Now JA becomes ja. J'attrape, because AI the pronunciation is A. So PI becomes P. J'attrape systématiquement. It's a long word, but if you break it and pronounce it, it's easy. Systé, because this is A. Systématiquement, un rhume. Je répète. Now, by the way, if you want the English translation of this text, I'm going to mention the English translation of this text in the description box below. You can check it out. Now, I'm going to read this text slowly for you. Personnellement, je préfère la chaleur. J'ai grandi dans le sud de la France, près de Montpellier. Donc, je suis habitué au soleil. Dès que les nuages apparaissent et que la température descend de quelques degrés, je me mets à frissonner. Petit quand nous rendions visite à mes cousins à Paris, j'attrapais systématiquement un rhume. Et même aujourd'hui, si je dois. See, I told you the pronunciation of OI is OA. So DOI becomes DOA and the last consonant S would be silent. Si je dois aller dans le nord, D would be silent, du pays. J'emporte toujours. Now see, the pronunciation of OU in French is OU. So TOU becomes tout and this is jour. Toujours des pulls et un bon manteau. See, the pronunciation of EAU in French is O. So this becomes manteau. Pour éviter les mauvaises. MAU, mo, VAIV. AU is O. This combination is O. This combination is A. Just like in English we say A. So mauvaise surprise.
Je répète. Et même aujourd'hui, si je dois aller dans le nord du pays, j'emporte toujours des pulls et un bon manteau pour éviter les mauvaises surprises. Now that's it for this text. If you have any other text which belongs to A2 level or B1 level or A1 level, you can mention that text in the comment section below. Maybe in the next upcoming video, I can take up that text. And that's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. For all the updates and reminders, please do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.